Hi, we're back with our vernacular structure model. Okay, now I gave this model name. This is going to be linked up into our architect's model. So, yeah, Ms. Terry, we have this building is going to be all wood. So let's go look at our basement. So this is our basement. Of course, we've got concrete foundation here, and we got wood columns going here. I'm not sure what the size, but I made them 12 by 12. And then we want to go to our level one that we discussed. Okay, yes, these are our beam systems basically. And oh, we can do a lot with these, but as you recall, in our other model, we had something going on in here with stairs, so we're going to have to make some adjustments here or do some changes because there's an opening. Basically, that's what's going on here. So these are our views. I don't need that one. And I'll just go back and tab these for now with this one highlighted. So we have our first level here, and we looked at our basement. And then also we want to deal with our structural levels now. I'll explain you why later on. So, and to get those, well, if you need to be, I'll show you if you follow along. So here's our beam system, which is basically our joists. You know, these are the joist system that's, so this is just the first floor. Okay, now, we know there's something going on over here. We don't know exactly, but we can go to level one, and then we can turn on that architect's model and just reload this and see what's happening here. I think it's the stairs up here somewhere. Yeah, somewhere in here. Yep, there's the stairs. So, okay, that's in the coordination review. But for now, I see that I'm going to just see if I can just select this beam system. I'm going to edit this boundary. Great, it does the light so I can see. I'm going to go from here. Uh-oh. Actually, I'm going to delete this out. This line is gone. So, oh, I should have kept that line actually. No, I shouldn't have. This just goes here. I would say to that joist, and then I'm going to go from here to here. So we're going to have to line this up with the structure. So I'm going to just go from here to here, and I'm going to extend and intersect this. Okay. I'm going to go from here to there. And so now I'm going to finish that. So we've got our opening there. So we don't want any wood in this area. So I'm going to finish it. And there's our beam system. So now I don't need the architect's model for right now. Yep, because everything else seems to be intact. So I'll go back into my 3D view here. As you can see, all the architect's models. So I'm going to shut them off because I don't need it. Okay, I'm going to unload that. Okay. So there we have our first level floor plan, and there's an opening here for our stairs. Actually can bring those stairs in here or whatever. And then, of course, we have a second level. So once you have a beam system, you keep it intact. You can do a lot with it. You can be very versatile. So these are 2 by 12s. So we can go up a level, and they don't necessarily have to be 2 by 12 because they're on the top, but we'll keep them that way just, you know, for whatever. So I can go here. Let's go into my level one plan. So this is what level one plan looks like in structure. We're going to have an opening here, and that's going to carry our stairs. And all we did was took the beam system and we changed the boundary. Like I said, keep them intact as long as you can. I don't know what span we got going on here, but this looks pretty good for now. So then, okay, we got our first level framing for our structure, and then we're gonna go and look at our second level. Okay, there's nothing up there, so let's go into our 3D view. In here, I can select this beam system, and I can copy it to my clipboard. Then I could paste it to assign levels, and I'm going to just show level 2 here, and okay. So there's the second level. But now, of course, we need walls. And those will come from the architect's model, but we can do frame walls as well. I can show you how to do that. Because basically what happens in the walls, you get a plate here, and then you do your joist or your, basically the same thing going across. Okay, now we have our second level, which would be here. And I'll make that fine view here. And then we will bring in our architect's model as well. But basically that's really it. It's nothing to it. So we're going to continue and make this model, a structural model for my vernacular house, and then let me see. Well, I'm going to keep this one short tonight. I'll do the roof, and then we'll do the walls same way, because it's basically going to be all wood, a brick veneer, because, like I said, this house was built in 1915. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my videos. It helps me make videos like this all the time. And everybody, be safe and take care. See you in the next video, folks. Bye.